That's pretty bad. Justin, you're kind of keeping an eye on some weather moving in.
Yeah, nothing too serious for the overnight, it looks like. We're kind of limited instability or energy in the atmosphere, but our storm trackers are out. Marty Logan's up towards Arnett, northwest Oklahoma. Val and Amy Castor are coming down here on I-40, watching the storms off to the southwest. And Marty's been seeing some lightning, a little bit of rain back to the west. Those storms have been stronger, but they're slowly weakening off towards the east. So our storm trackers will be out here tonight. A couple more storm trackers will be out in the morning, more than likely. Watch out for the possibility of a little bit of flooding. And if any of those thunderstorms get out of control, we'll be here to keep you up to date. But right now, these storms are moving into an environment that's not as unstable, not as much energy as it was out here to the west. As you can see, tornado watch no longer in effect. Those storms have gone off towards the east, big complex of thunderstorms, and what we see, a mesoscale convective system starting to take shape, a little bit of a twist. And those thunderstorms, once they do that, they have a good time are slowly weakening, or they'll have a good chance of making it across the state with that wave of low pressure for the overnight. And you can see showers and thunderstorms, a couple claps of thunder down towards Temple, Chattanooga, south of a lot near Geronimo. But this little line has been slowly moving off to the northeast at around 35. Again, some brief heavy rain, some lightning. A couple severe thunderstorms we'll watch closely, see if they make it up towards the southern part of Ellis County here in Arnett. That's where Marty is right now, but you can see that lightning on his shot and some heavy rains at times. Looking at Futurecast, those waves of showers and thunderstorms will continue, especially central and northern half of the state. I think we'll have the best chance of seeing those showers and thunderstorms. Some of the rainfall could be heavy, some small hail, maybe some gusty winds, but the severe weather threat does look low here for the overnight, but it'll be a good rain for portions of the state. Some areas could see up to 1 inch to 1.5 inches, maybe a 2-inch rainfall amount in a couple isolated locations. A beautiful Sunday out there with that filtered sunshine, 70s to middle 80s out there with a southeast wind that continues to try to pull in the moisture. We're fairly dry. Dew points only into the upper 40s compared to the 60-degree dew points that we'll see tomorrow. So that warm front and the moisture will make its way in from south to north throughout the overnight as that wave of energy brings us good showers and thunderstorm chances for the overnight. So there's that warm front. There's that first burst of energy. Here comes another piece of energy, and this could be one that we'll have to watch very closely for tomorrow evening. Here tonight, I threw out a slight chance of a little bit of wind and hail, some very heavy rains, lightning here across the metro, so it'll be a noisy one when those thunderstorms move over. So the dogs, the kiddos might greet you in bed and wake you up as a good chance of rain, anywhere from 70 to 90% chance of rain here, good portion of the state. Temperatures upper 50s to lower 60s. Cloudy, good chance of rain, a little bit of sunshine during the afternoon. If we see sunshine, that will not be good news. We'll restabilize or destabilize the atmosphere, put more energy in atmosphere as that next piece of energy comes in with temperatures 70s and even 90s out towards the west. And here, northwest Oklahoma and north central, isolated supercells will start to develop 4, 5, 6 o'clock, all the way maybe down to the metro along the dry line. Then a cold front will come in after that during the evening hours and produce a line of showers and thunderstorms and severe weather in the form of some wind and hail, possibly with that. We have the environment for tornadoes, so pretty much all of the environments are there. So a moderate chance. Tornadoes could be strong, large hail, and some damaging winds with any of these thunderstorms. We have a slight to moderate risk of severe weather. We'll have to watch out for the tornado risk. And again, a couple of those hailstones could be big, and also some winds up to around 70 miles an hour as that rain becomes likely during the late afternoon, evening hours, shoves off to the southeast. Overnight, it'll be ending here across Oklahoma City and off towards the east. Rainfall amounts here throughout the week could exceed 2 to 3 inches as we have another threat of severe weather Wednesday and Thursday after a quiet day on Tuesday, and then more storms and heat, upper 80s to near 90 with some afternoon thunderstorms as we head towards next weekend. So we'll be watching that severe weather threat closely for tomorrow. The Blitz is next.